Welcome to today's session. In this tutorial, we explore how to create a function that retrieves the nth argument passed to it. This function also supports negative indices, allowing us to access arguments from the end of the list. Let's get started. Our goal is to build a function that retrieves an argument at a given position in a function call. If the index is negative, it counts from the end instead of the beginning. This function takes an index and returns a function that retrieves the argument at the position. We use slice n with the array 0 to extract the value dynamically. This function first collects all arguments into an array. Then, it uses the slice method to extract the correct argument. If n is negative, the function counts backward from the end. Here are some test cases. The third function retrieves the third argument, while the last function retrieves the last argument using a negative order index. This function is useful in data processing, function utilities, and command line applications where dynamic argument retrieval is needed. In summary, the nth arg function simplifies retrieving some specific arguments dynamically. Its support for negative indices makes it even more flexible. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.